How to change the call background, which basically is the video or picture that plays while you are in a call or make or receive calls. Okay, so this is for the Galaxy A16 phone here with the 5G. So I'll show you where to go to get access to these settings here. And basically, let's take it from the start. If you go to the dialer app here, which is your Samsung dialer app, go to that. You'll see this right here. You'll see this view here within the keypad section. You'll see the three dots at the top right. When you tap on that one time, you're going to see settings. So go to that. And then you'll see call background. As you enter here, you will see this view here and you'll go to where it says background. So this is just changing the background. Once you tap here, you can choose from one of the featured options here, and usually with the lower tier Samsung phones, you don't get much here. You also have this video here that plays. This is like a pre-made one for you, and you can have this playing and also use the ringtone. Now, the good thing is with the call background here, if you have a video in your phone that you want to use, you can use that as well, and you can choose images from the album section here if you want to. So maybe I want to go ahead with this photo here and have that as a call background. So let's say you have a loved one, a friend, and every time that person calls you and you're on the phone with them, that image is going to show for them. And this is just the background area, okay? Just so you know that that's how it would go about doing that, right? So like and sub. Of course, you want to set it as call background for it to save. Thanks for watching.